20% of the patients left unhappy with after total knee replacement. Today I will tell you one common culprit. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Vivek Nayak, your bone doctor. Are you suffering from arthritis and wondering which knee replacement will be right for you? Please watch this till the end. Uni knee replacement is a kind of knee replacement which involves replacing only one knee compartment, keeping the healthy ligaments intact, thus a more natural feel while walking, ensuring early recovery. Total replacement involves replacing the entire knee, which is more invasive, cutting all the natural structures and ideal for severe end-stage arthritis. Always consult your orthopedician to choose the best option for your knee pain, because if you replace your whole knee in early arthritis, you may be in the 20% who are unhappy. Follow me for many such bone related problems. I am Dr. Vivek Nayak. Thank you.